for this moment. I knew it would come. This story, guys, they've been working on this story since 2021. They were supposed to be released back in 2021. But they were still trying to come up with more tangible evidence. So dala lento lena, it's been in the works. Kudala basilandelela le story list. Everything that you've seen and heard about Lumfazi Lona's involvement, it is true, ngiyantshela lapho, because ngiyamazi as a person ufile ukhohlakele. Ayikho into angeke ayenze le ntombazana uthakatha nokuthakatha azaphunyuka akutshele nokuthi ngikuthakathile. Hey, yo azu doctor ufundile, but yeah, ububhizana bakhe buyavela.
The way she's going.
No. She is a doctor. She is smart, but I will tell you this. Okay, followers, viewers are growing. I'll have to drop soon. I'll tell you this. She is smart. She is a go-getter in life. Go-getter bakhe ulobu. What did 50 Cent say? Get rich or die trying. And again, I repeat, if somebody from her camp comes for me and wants to bring their legal team, I will expose everything. Try me.
Run, okay, thank you.
Interpretation is that she tags her kids along. In all these rendezvous, those poor kids have seen every man she split her legs for. Those, as Lucy Lona, when we talk about vile women, umama okhetha abantwana based on looks. There's the other daughter. She's chubby. She is not what you would call cute or a beautiful baby according to beauty standards, as nonsense beauty standards. Akusuyo postwayo kakhulu. Akusuyo yenza izinto kakhulu. Lo mncane o cute uye oyenza izinto kakhulu. She's vile. And uyazazi ukuthi her key is what? Her punani. So she uses her punani ure. And mina ngibasabi bonke bayangazi. Angibasabi bonke. Y'all are saying lwandle run. Angibasabi bonke. Ngafreeze South Africa. Mina mangakhuluma ngafreeze South Africa.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So you guys, that audio is from a lady who claimed to have been close to Dr. Nandipha, who went on to a TikTok live video to expose her. So she said that Dr. Nandipha is an evil witch. She believes that she has done all those things. She says that she believes that Nandipha is the mastermind behind all the evil that has been done, and not you guys. According to her, Nandipha is a woman who does not love her own children, you guys, her own daughters. Her first daughter, because she does not fit her definition of a beauty. So she also said that Dr. Nandipha is a witch who's not afraid to reveal her evil deeds once she's done with you. So nothing is beneath her, nothing is beneath Dr. Nandipha Magudumane. She said that Nandipha is not a saint that we all paint her to be. Now please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. And also I would love to thank Fresh Trends for recording that audio, because I got it from them, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.